I haven't seen this note before. What's it about? Paper Mochi likes me? I love you, AMK. What? I love you so much, Paper Mochi, kitten. I like her too. I should go to the flower shop. Welcome to the flower shop. Can I get you any flowers? Do you have any flowers without the bowl? I really hope she does. Of course. Have this pink one. Nobody's bought it yet. Gosh, I really hope she likes me. I already texted her. Well, do you remember the note that you gave me? Let's just say I like you back, okay?
Oh my god, big